Hey, what's up YouTube? Quick video, just wanted to show you guys how I tie down my Can-Am MX-3. Now a lot of you guys out there have asked the question, at least on Facebook, I've seen it in a bunch of groups. How do you tie down your X3? I used to tie down my car from the front arms, from the bumper. If you don't have a bumper, you can't do that. I found a great option, R&R Manufacturing. And they got these brackets that they make. Now these brackets mount up to the front and rear in different locations. This actually mounts up to a well, let me show you. Here we go. So this mounts up to the frame. If you've never seen this on an X3, there's a circular piece here. So the reason this is here is for packaging purposes from the factory, but it's a great tie down point if you have the correct bracket. Now they're pretty cool. All you gotta do is place the bracket in the hole, pull it down, and you have a great tie down point here. So just remember, you gotta take them off every time you unload your car. The front is a little bit different. The front has these brackets, and these brackets actually go on top of the sway bar mounts. I'm gonna show you guys how to install those. 2 bolts, 2 nuts. Probably takes 2 minutes. All right, so what you're gonna need is a 18mm socket and a ratchet and a wrench of the same size, 18mm. You're also gonna use a 19mm wrench and socket, and the reason for that is they supply you with new hardware, and you could use their hardware, and there's actually a 19 instead of an 18. So you're gonna take off your 18mm hardware and put on your 19mm hardware. Man, say that 10 times fast. Let's do this. All right, so once you get the 2 bolts out, all you gotta do is put them through the bracket. Holy shit. All right, just like that. The portion where you put your ratchet strap hook through actually goes forward. So when you do this and you take these 2 bolts out, as long as you leave the other side intact, the sway bar itself shouldn't move out of the way. So just keep that in mind. So now you can go ahead and reinstall this. Just like that. It's gonna be a nice and tight fit. You might need to hammer it down. So these are the nuts they supplied. They're actually a little bit bigger at 19mm. Same exact thing as a regular factory OEM nut, just a different size. So put those on at the bottom. And that's pretty much it. So now that they're on, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how you use your ratchet straps and put them on the trailer. So these brackets are pretty thick. It should be heavy duty.
I don't like that.
What?
Feels weird.
What do you mean it feels weird, fool?
I didn't take like the bicycle or something.
So like I was saying, the plating is pretty thick, should be heavy duty, and as soon as my wife loads up the car, we'll be able to strap it down and show you guys how it works. Damn, the car looks hard. Huh? Let me see, fool. Start coming this way a little bit. Okay, stop. Put it in 4-wheel drive. Put it on low. Man, I better get the fuck out of the way before she hits me. All right, you're gonna put one foot on the brake, 1 foot on the gas, and slowly climb it. There you go, keep going. Turn it that way a little bit. All right, straighten them out, straighten them out. This way a little bit. Oh, shit. Shit. All right, just go this way a little bit, a tad, and then just go, you got it. Both wheels are good. This way, baby. Good thing we don't got the new methods on there. This way, baby. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep coming. Keep coming. All right, you're almost there. Just about another 2 feet. Keep going. Just keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. I'll tell you when to stop. Huh? More? You're just going back and forth. A little bit more. Don't worry, the girls are fine. A little bit more. That's good. Perfect. Put it in park. Oh man. All right, I'm not gonna lie. This is my first time using these brackets, and I think it's gonna work pretty good. So check it out. Put your strap on the trailer, obviously. Then strap the car, and you're just gonna hook it on. Where is it at? Can't find the hole. That's what she said. Boom, right there. Come over here and just strap it down. All right, so I want to show you real quick because my concerns were they were gonna rub on the springs and they barely touch a hair, which is obviously not a big deal at all. But you can see how it hooks and ties down just like that. Pretty cool. Now if the car or if the trailer had you know, a tie down point over here, or maybe I could have just grabbed the trailer from here, it would be straight along. So it's actually pretty cool. And let's do the rear. All right, so you already know how the rear goes. Shove it in just like that, then you just hook it on from there to your strap, and that's pretty much it. All right, so the question is, why do you need these brackets? Well, most cars from the factory, the arms are very weak, the front bulkhead is very weak, and tying it down from those locations just isn't the greatest idea. So this adds a reliable and pretty affordable, if you ask me, way of tying down your car without having to worry about damaging the bumper, the arms, or anything like that. And even the rear, you don't have very many tie down points from the factory. Now you could add a rear bumper, or you could add a pull plate that has a hook on it, but if you don't have that from the factory and you just got your car, this is probably the best option affordably. So I'll leave links in the description where you can find them and check out the pricing. R&R Manufacturing is fairly new, but they're making a name for themselves, and the product's good, so check them out. Now remember, don't forget to take these off once you arrive to your destination and unload your car, because they might fly off while you're riding. Actually, I guarantee they'll fly off while you're riding. Oh, by the way, if you haven't entered our giveaway, there's 2 days left, so make sure you enter and win some cool prizes. Booyah! See you guys next time.